Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the Neato Botvac D7 connected. The Neato Botvac D7 features a unique rotating brush design in the front of the device. It also has a solid plastic bumper that allows it to bump into objects without getting damage. The brushed metal plate that covers the main section looks very sleek and modern. There is also a large paneled section that lifts up when you need to empty it. There is a secondary rotating brush that spins around at 90 degrees. It makes this device very skilled at picking up dust and dirt in awkward places. The eco mode that this device boasts is useful when you want to keep the volume low while conserving battery life. There is also a turbo mode, which cleans more thoroughly, but it is significantly louder. You can also set it on manual mode, which allows you to control every aspect of the device with your smartphone via the mobile app. Some of the features of this robot vacuum include laser technology. The smart laser technology that this device uses maps out the layout of your home so you can clean it in straight lines. Turbo mode. When you need to pick up tough debris like dust and pet hair, turbo mode can really help. Zone cleaning. You can target certain trouble areas of your home to get them thoroughly clean. Some of the pros of this robot vacuum include long battery life. You can get up to 120 minutes of battery life out of this device, making this device perfect for those with large homes. Multiple modes. There are numerous modes to choose from, so you can get your specific needs met no matter what. Excellent performance. The large core brush on the underside of this vacuum provides you with exceptional performance on a consistent basis. One con of this robot vacuum is the fact that there's no indicator for when the vacuum is full. You just have to check it every once in a while. Coming in at around $820, the Neato Robotics D7 uses impressive laser technology to thoroughly clean almost any type of flooring. It has a very attractive design and can be controlled with your smartphone via the mobile app. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.